What are examples of energy conversion in GED physical science? Imagine a world where energy is constantly changing from one form to another, powering everything around us. That's what energy conversion is all about. It's the process where energy shifts from one type to another, and it happens all the time in nature and in our daily lives. Understanding these changes helps us see how things work, from the simplest machines to complex natural processes. Let's look at some clear examples to make this idea easier to grasp. First, think about water stored high in a dam. The potential energy in the water turns into kinetic energy as the water flows down. This moving water then spins turbines, creating electrical energy. That's how many big power plants produce electricity, like the Hoover Dam. Next, consider a car driving down the street. The fuel inside the engine contains chemical energy. When the engine burns the fuel, it releases energy that makes the car move. This is a transformation from chemical energy to mechanical energy. Another example is boiling water with an electric kettle. When you plug it in, electrical energy from the outlet converts into heat energy. The heat then warms the water until it boils. It's a simple change from electrical to thermal energy. When you push a rock uphill, your muscles use energy to move it. The kinetic energy from your push becomes potential energy in the rock's new position. If you drop a ball from a height, the potential energy it had from being high turns into kinetic energy as it falls toward the ground. Plants also convert energy in a process called photosynthesis. They take sunlight, which is radiant energy, and turn it into chemical energy stored in their leaves and stems. When you burn wood or fuel, chemical energy stored inside the material is released as heat and light during combustion. This reaction is what makes fire and provides warmth and energy for cooking. Finally, think about a fan or a car engine. Electrical energy powers these machines, and it changes into mechanical energy that moves the blades or parts. This is how electrical devices work to produce motion. All these examples show how energy is never lost but just changes form. This idea is called the law of conservation of energy. Recognizing these conversions helps us understand how machines, natural events, and even our bodies work every day. It also connects to bigger topics like renewable energy, heat transfer, and different types of energy such as thermal, chemical, electrical, and radiant energy. Knowing these facts makes it easier to answer questions about energy in GED science and physical science tests.